Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our own channel Pearlwine Sahi Hai. The video which I am creating today is created on public demand. Many people requested me by calling me and contacted me through email that you should create one video in English so that we can also understand Pearlwine. The video is created for you all members. You can share this video and expand your team throughout the India, throughout the world. You can utilize this video to empower your team and broaden your team throughout the India. This is the power of this video. Many people from South India communicated me and said that I don't understand Hindi, so please sir create the video in English. So I thought I should create one video in English so that many leaders who are working here in Northeast India can expand their team throughout the India and throughout the world. There should be no boundaries of language coming between you and the people whom you are willing to join Pearlwine. So that's why I created this video, and through this video I will clear all your doubts regarding Pearlwine. The person who does not understand Hindi but comfortable at English can understand Pearlwine at ease. So today I am explaining to you why you should join Pearlwine. If you are giving Pearlwine plan to someone, first question will arise in their mind is why I should join Pearlwine. What is Pearlwine? So the answer is the Pearlwine is only the option to you where the investment is very minimal and benefits are unlimited. Yes, the answer is the benefits are unlimited. Here you can open a Pearlwine account with a minimal fees of 2250 rupees, that is 30 DP. If you are converting it in US dollar, it is $30. Simple. And within 8 to 10 years you are going to get 32 lakhs rupees. That's the answer why you should join Pearlwine. The second question which will arise in your mind, is it possible? Yeah, it is really possible. It is happening. The Pearlwine is an automated software system which works on 4x4 matrix. You can understand that matrix, or if you comment in the comment section of my video, I will make you understand how Pearlwine works. If you are not getting any video regarding this, I assure you, if you comment below my video, I will make you understand how Pearlwine works. I will tell you how you will get 32 lakhs rupees within 8 to 10 years without any work, without 1 minute work. That is the biggest power of Pearlwine, why you should join Pearlwine. The third thing which comes in your mind while you are joining any company is this company is genuine. So I am going to tell you one thing about Pearlwine. If you are joining Pearlwine, remove this thought from your mind that is this company is genuine. Pearlwine is 100% genuine company. The system which you are going to join is 100% genuine. This question should not come your mind again that is this genuine. If this question is coming, then you don't join Pearlwine. I must insist you, if this question is coming in your mind, then don't join Pearlwine because you are not going to do anything over here. I must insist you. So first remove this question from your mind, is Pearlwine real or fake? This is my recommendation to you. If you are willing to join, don't think this, because since 5 years Pearlwine is working throughout the world, and since 3 years it is working in India, and there is no transaction failure or any issue in Pearlwine system. The system is full-fledged system where you can work smoothly. Your work is not going to stop any day, anytime. If you are willing to work at 2 o'clock, you can work in Pearlwine system. You can accept joinings of other people. This is the power of Pearlwine. Third thing, when you get the payout, that is the most biggest problem. If you are joining an MLM company, the biggest problem is that the payout related problem. Some companies say you, I will give you this much take joining from other people. In a month, I will give you one time payout and you can take the payout on that day only. You are working for 1 month, you are giving full time to their company, and when the times comes for the payout, the company ran away. That only happens in many of the MLM company I have seen, and I can give you many examples, but I will not take the name of any XYZ company. But you also know that this is the only thing happening in the network marketing. But here, when you are joining at Pearlwine, I can say you that you can take your payout at any second. At any second of the day you can take your payout. There is no condition regarding payout. If you are willing to take your payout at 12 o'clock midnight, you can take out your payout directly in your bank account. There is no restriction. This is the power of Pearl Wine. I want that, my dear friends, that your team should be expanded all through the world. Your team should not be limited to your own territory only. If you request me, my dear friend, I will create lots and lots of video in English so that you may break the language barrier which is there in our country and all through the world, and expand your team to all through the India. And through this video, there is only one motive, my dear friend, that you must work and earn the best you can earn for your livelihood. And the fourth and the biggest point, why you should join Pearl Wine. See, I am insisting this, I am recommending this because here there is no investment. If you join Pearl Wine and the very next day only, if you bring two joining below you, then your ID will be totally free. At an instant of second, you will get 1125 rupees per ID. Means if you are doing two joinings, your ID will be totally free. And I can assure you, if you are not working for 8 to 10 years, then also you will get 32 lakhs rupees. This is the power of Pearl Wine. In this country or anywhere in the world, you will not get this kind of system, I can assure you. So that's why, my dear friends, I insist you that you should share this video with everyone throughout the world so that you can break the boundaries and expand your team all through the world. The only motive behind this video is that everyone should know about Pearl Wine. There should not be any people left in the world who don't know about Pearl Wine. And there should be a smile on everyone's face. Thank you very much. My dear friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for every upcoming updates of Pearl Wine. I assure you, I will give only 100% genuine and the fastest updates of Pearl Wine. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Pearl Wine.